things take time. That ancient wisdom still applies even in the 21st century. And why do I say that to you, my friend? It's because of this video you're going to see right now.
Good things don't take time. And people who believe that good things take time, suffering will outpace you, life will rob you. 20 years old, 40, 50, 60, doesn't matter. Growth isn't a biological process. Growth is a decision to find out, why are you still failing? Why are you continuing to recycle failed relationship after failed relationship? Why doesn't the marketplace perceive you as valuable? There are truths that sponsor these realities. There are truths that make things work. And so if you find yourself in bondage in certain areas of your life, your first step isn't movement. Your first step is to verify, what do I believe to be the truth? Because the consequence of the truth is that it must set you free.
So in that video, the young man made very profound statements, which if you take it on face value, it could work for you, but dangerously it might derail you. That is why I've come to give you this balancing perspective. Good things take time, because time itself is an element of creation. Time itself is an element of transformation. Time itself is the laboratory in which the process of transformation from nothing to something happens. The young man says that growth is not a biological process, that growth is a function of truth. Growth is a function of decisions. Those are very profound statements. But my friend, truth itself comes to you by light, and you access light in time. You access light by time. Growth is not only a function of your decision. It is true that a firm decision can get you started on the journey of transformation, but time is the ultimate regulator of every transformation. For example, when you impregnate a woman or a woman takes you, the woman does not say when the baby must come. Ceteris paribus, all things being equal, it has been programmed by the Creator that human fetus will take 9 months to form a ready-to-born baby. No pregnant woman or father of a baby on the way can decide to have the child at 3 months. Can you now see that time is the ultimate regulator of every good thing? Good things take time, my friend. You cannot run ahead of time. You cannot run behind time. Wisdom dictates that you know where time is going and that you are aligned with time. If you do not align with time, you will lose your effort. You will lose your vision. You will lose your purpose. In fact, time is what gives man purpose. Everything we all do today makes meaning to us in the reference to time. Without time, there is no purpose to human activities. So, my friend, I encourage you, there is a balance to life. The name of life itself is balance. Let me share with you, I have learned from experience and by insight that the real price that every human being pays for achievement is time. And patience is the currency of time. Can you now see that good things take time? A child cannot decide today to say, I want to be a graduate. You have to go through the process of admission to a higher institution, taking all the lectures, fulfilling all the requirements to become a graduate. That process is regulated by time. My friend, good things take time. Don't allow yourself to be rushed. Pace yourself. Patience is not laziness. Patience is not slothfulness. And patience is not stupidity. Be diligent. Pace yourself. Take your time. Don't rush yourself out of destiny. Good things take time. Isaiah Kumuyi here, Apostle of the Positive Message. Till I come your way again the next time, keep transforming from water to wine. Cheers.